left side. So this is where I keep my things. This is my office thing. This is my walking bag where I keep everything. As you can see, there's a lot of things. Media mode for camera, stand for camera, extension. I mean everything that you need. All right. Good morning, guys. Welcome back to the channel Travel with Mtirushwa. I want to wish all of you a happy new year of 2025 as we are closing 2024. So we are still in the jungle, but let me switch on my car first. We are still in the jungle. We have been on the way on the road since last week Friday. So today it's another day. Today I have a special video for you. I need to do a tour of my car. I need to show you how I set everything in my car. So starting from, all right, so guys, the thing is this is Volkswagen Passat B5 Station Wagon, and it's where I sleep. It's where I do everything from. As you can see, I've installed this bed. I've installed this mattress. So I have this mattress. It's 3x6, the size probably. I want to, first of all, I want to do some description about our last time from Mount Kenya in Tharaka County up to here. This is Machakos County. So from Tharaka County, as I told you last time, I was staying in Chuka town. I came 3 days ago, and from Chuka town in Tharaka County to here Machakos County is 199 kilometers from there, a road trip. So the thing is, the drive was smooth. I mean, I never had any major issue apart from when I reached the Embu town. I had some issues. There were some protests going on in the town, so they had broken the highway. So we had to divert and look for another option to rejoin the highway past Embu, which was a little bit challenging, but we managed. We tried to manage with everything. Yeah, the distance became longer, but not too long. Became longer, like 50 kilometers. But we managed to cross that challenge safely without any problem. But first, that day, we spent like 2 hours in traffic jam in Embu before deciding to divert for that diversion. So all right, so here I am in Machakos County, in this scout center, Machakos. So I'm camping here for some few days. So I'm leaving. I'm going back to Nairobi probably after a few days. I'm not yet sure about the exact day that I will be going back. But the thing, as I was telling you about this video, I need to do some tour of my car. So as I showed you, this is the normal mattress that I have installed in my car. So this mattress is 3x6. That's where I sleep. As you can see, everything is solid. I've got some things here for eating, for using bread, what, some match boxes, as you can see, and I've got some milk. I mean, I've brought everything that I would need to camp. So as you can see, currently I'm I'm preparing tea here. It's ready probably out. Yeah. So this is tea. That's I'm gonna have breakfast. So here I have some food and some utensils, kitchen utensils. And here I have my dustbin. So let me show you how everything is now. How I installed this bed in my car. As you know, usually here there are seats here behind. So I reclined these seats. Then let me show you like this. As you can see, this one is for here. So I reclined it to be here. The one to sit on is on this side. So like it's easier to install, not as hard as it been. Now the front seat I had to slide it towards in front a little bit so that the bed can fit easily. And I've got my gum boots, like in case of the rain I use my gum boots. So let's go to another side. So this side, this is my driver side. Yeah, my driver side is on this side because you know, I'm from Rwanda. My car is Rwandan. For us to drive on the other side. As you know, Kenyan cars steering wheel are on other side, that side, on right side. So my steering wheel is on this side, left side. So this is where I keep my things. This is my office thing. This is my walking bag where I keep everything. As you can see, there's a lot of things. Media mode for camera, stand for camera, extension. I mean everything that you need, that I need. By the way, I forgot to apply this oil. Let me apply it. This oil is for my beard. I forgot to apply it. Now, so everything is here. My laptop for work, my phone holder for easy navigation. As you can see, my car is a manual car. Everything is here. My power cable, my external drive. I mean everything that I would need here. So another thing is currently I'm having a big challenge of internet, but I've got Starlink internet. But now the issue is my cigarette socket is not working currently. So I'm gonna try to figure. My cigarette light currently is not working. Yeah? So I have to troubleshoot the issue so that I will be able to use inverter so that my car will be having will have power supply. Yeah, that's the plan for the moment. All right. Yeah. So another thing is I really encourage people to try this thing. I really encourage people to try camping in their cars, so that because it's a really good thing to do. Like it's a moment that you have a quiet time with yourself. You get to think about yourself. I mean, you get to put your mind on time. You get to work. Like me, I work from here, from anywhere. So I really encourage people to do this. It's a good thing. Another thing is my camping chair. Did I show you how my camping chair is? This is my camping chair. Like it's a foldable. It's foldable camping chair. Like whenever you need it, just let me know. I can. I got a big stock of it. So like whenever you need this, when you're in Kenya, I mean when you're around Rwanda, Kenya, Tanzania, Uganda, you can just let me know. I I can get you one. I have a big stock of them. Right, welcome back to the channel. After introduction of my car things, now it's around 10 minutes to 1 p.m. So as you can see, it's a time for lunch. We've already finished to prepare the lunch. We're gonna have lunch. So I don't know, but I wanted to show you the routine of preparing it, but I didn't get able to do it, to record everything. But I think because this video is about day routine, about camping, around evening when I will be preparing dinner, I'll try to record and show you everything. So karibu eat